Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew and today is Friday Pasta Day. Today I'm going to be making Asian garlic noodles. Let's get to it. I've got the butter melted in the pan. I'm going to be adding the garlic, and some shallot. And we're going to saute these for about 30 seconds. We're going to be adding soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, brown sugar, and Szechuan chili flakes. And we're going to give this good cooking for a few minutes. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add the finished sauce to the pasta that just finished up. And I've got some reserved pasta water. I'm going to add just a little bit of that. And I'm going to give it a good stir. Got cilantro. Green onion. I'm going to give that a stir. And on to the next step. And here's the final presentation of the Asian garlic noodles with just a dusting of black and white sesame seeds. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Be sure to like this video and please subscribe. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.